I just happen to have one in stock. In fact, I have an abundance of these. Used to use these on my my old Chevy and the old white Cavalier, if anybody remembers that car, for the keyless entry and alarm systems and that, because these fit on the terminals of a 5-contact relay, 12-volt relay, real good. Let's make sure this will fit on here. Yeah, that won't be a problem at all. Now, I may have to trim this wire ever so slightly. Yeah. Let's see what that's going to do for us. Still probably a little long, but that works for me. I like to squeeze the ever-loving fuck out of this to make sure that's nice and crimped. And that is nice and crimped. So now, we'll put it back under here and run it kind of this way. Stick it on. There we are. And no one will ever know the difference. Let me sort of just move. Well, I don't like that either. Maybe I can just pin it in place like that. No, of course it wants to pop off. Alright, that'll work for a test. We will plug that in. And turn it on. We got about 19 watts or so, 18 watts. I'm reading it off the camera. 200, 300. Yep. A lot more even across the board. 400. Much more even heat. Absolutely. 460. It's getting a little warm, but I don't want that to happen. I can't hold all of this. And read the meter also. 475. 560, 570. Ooh. Maybe that's not the entire issue. 600. I think I still feel some cool air. Is there one on the other side that's broken off also? Doesn't look it. All the other connections look good. What are we at? 620? It's cooler on one end than it is on the other. Interesting. And it definitely went up, so we are making connection, at least somewhat. 634. Alright, let me keep looking. I only see these 5 wires, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that go to the heating element, this being the over temperature thermal fuse, I guess. Or maybe even behind it, I'm not sure what that is. I mean, we can look at these connectors, besides being kind of dirty, maybe, you know, I don't like what I'm seeing right here. It's hard to tell even in real life, but I think the little ears of the connector look tarnished, perhaps. And the same on that, the same on that, and the same on that. Let me see if I could pull them off. Those connectors are stuck on there, but good. I tried with a screwdriver, trying to push them, pliers to pull. They don't want to move without possibly breaking it, and I'd hate to do that because it kind of works now. Geez, I guess I could try metering it, but that's only going to show me, it's probably going to show me 120 volts. The problem is I think there's so much resistance in these connectors based on what I saw on that one, that chances are very good that's what the problem is, because we are getting a higher wattage reading when I turn it to high. So I'll meter it, let's see. This isn't going to be good. It's on high, and I'll just meter between these 103, 100. Nothing there. I guess the thing is in the way. 90, 80, yeah, there you go. Nothing there. Okay. So we have a bad connection somewhere, certainly. Not getting that kind of right voltage. 613 watts it was reading. So I guess I'll see what else I can do. Let's see if my theory is correct at least. See if I can just slice this. This is some pretty tough stuff. Probably because it's been heated and cooled so many times. Holy crap. Definitely don't want to donate blood to this thing. So I guess I'll just keep slicing at it and we'll see what we get.